Welcome to the Crispy Info. In this podcast, we will be talking about the foundation stone laid by the PM of Ken-Betwa project. So, Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone for the Ken-Betwa river linking project in Madhya Pradesh's Khajuraho. The project aims to transfer excess water from the Ken River in Madhya Pradesh to the Betwa River. It is expected to bring prosperity to the Bundelkhand region. So today we will be discussing about this Ken-Betwa link project, its environmental and social concerns, controversies and criticism surrounding the project. So what is this Ken-Betwa link project? So it aims to transfer water from the Ken River to the Betwa River, both tributaries of the Yamuna. The project includes a 221-kilometer canal with a 2-kilometer tunnel. The project also includes a 73.8-meter high dam on Ken at Daudhan in Madhya Pradesh, Chhatarpur district. What is the history of Ken-Betwa interlinking project? So the project was conceptualized in 1980s, but the water sharing agreement could not be reached between the two states. The work on the project was originally slated to begin in 2015 but only got a fresh push last year with the government making a revised deal with the two states. Finally, on March 22, 2021, a memorandum of agreement was signed among the Ministry of Jal Shakti and the governments of Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh to implement the project. We will be discussing about the project phases. So it will be launched in two phases. Phase 1, construction of Dodhan Dam Complex, low level tunnel, high level tunnel, Ken Betwa Link Canal, and powerhouses. In second phase, construction of Lower Ore Dam, Bina Complex project, and Kotha Barrage will take place. According to the Jal Shakti Ministry, the Ken Betwa Link project is proposed to be implemented in 8 years. So this is the completion of the project. We will be discussing about the reasons benefiting from the project. So the project will benefit the Bundelkhand region, which spans 13 districts in Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh, and the key beneficiary districts include Panna, Tikamgarh, Chhatarpur, Sagar, Damoh, Datia, Vidisha, Shivpuri, and Raisen of Madhya Pradesh, along with Banda, Mahoba, Jhansi, and Lalitpur of Uttar Pradesh. The project aims to address water scarcity in this drought prone region, fostering development and paving the way for the future interlinking initiatives. So, what will be the benefits of the project? So, it will be providing benefit to irrigation, drinking water, and power generation. As far as irrigation is concerned, annual irrigation for 10.62 lakh hectares will be taking place. For drinking water supply for 62 lakh people will be there, and for the power generation 103 megawatt of hydropower and 27 megawatt solar power can be generated. Now we will be discussing about the environmental and social concerns. So environmental impacts. Deforestation in Panna National Park. The project will result in large-scale deforestation with around 98 square kilometers of the park submerged and 2-3 million trees felled. It can be a threat to wildlife. Okay, about tigers. The Daudhan Dam, located inside the Panna National Park, could undermine the successful tiger reintroduction program that revived the population after local extinction in 2009. It is likely to affect the gharial population in the Ken Gharial Sanctuary and disrupt vulture nesting sites downstream. It has its hydrological concerns as well. IIT Bombay scientists warn the project could reduce September rainfall by up to 12% due to disruptions in land atmosphere feedback. Experts demand transparency in Ken River's hydrological data for a thorough review. It has its social impact. It can create displacement. The dam will displace 5,228 families in Chhatarpur district and 1,400 families in Panna district due to submergence and land acquisition. Protests have erupted over perceived inadequate compensation and minimal benefits for affected communities, particularly in Panna district. Now, controversies and criticisms surrounding the project. The first, wildlife and environmental clearance is there. So, the Supreme Court's Central Empowered Committee questioned the wildlife clearance and the project's economic viability. Second, violation of precedents. The Union Environment Ministry approved construction within the core of the Panna Tiger Reserve, despite no precedent for such heavy infrastructure in national parks or tiger reserves. Thanks for watching this podcast. Please subscribe, share, and like this podcast.